Good morning, Alexus, Love Beauties, and Flawless Man. Welcome back to another podcast episode. I just wanted to say happy holidays to you all. I pray that you all had a great Christmas, whether you celebrate Christmas or not. Just a good day in general. I know that around this time, there is a lot of different emotion and, vulnerability being shown around just the holiday seasons in general. We know me personally, I stopped celebrating holidays 2 years ago. It's going to be almost 3 years. Just simply because when I did my extended research, I was not in agreement with the things that I learned, and I did believe them also, which strayed me away from holidays. And you can be sure to watch some of the videos that we already talked about, why I don't celebrate holidays. I believe we have 2 of those videos in our playlist section or just randomly throughout our video, but you can find those in the search box. Yesterday, I did go over to my mother's house. My family had a dinner, and I am super excited that I went. I have never condemned anyone else from celebrating holidays just because I stopped, but I would not engage also. And the number one thing is when you stop doing something, you can't expect everybody around you to stop doing it. You can't expect everybody around you to have your same views. So, but I did go out to my family's dinner yesterday, and I'm super grateful that I did because it was one of the best things that I've experienced in this 2024. It really, really was. I'm not going to hold y'all up. Like, my 2024 has been full of trials and tribulations and blessings, full of blessings, confirmations. But this Christmas dinner was awesome, and I really, really appreciate it. So I just wanted to stop by and say hello to you guys. We are, starting off a new week, and we're going to be getting some work out here. But I just said, hey, let me stop in and speak to my Alexus, Love Beauties, and Flawless Man. We have recently done a couple podcasts and a couple videos also. You know how every Monday, we would do it every Monday and Thursday where we would drop our video reminder in case you missed it, and we would list all of our videos. We're going to get back to doing that. But I'm going to drop that today for you all. That way we can have that. Wait, is it Thursday? I think it is Thursday. Oh, perfect. So it is Thursday. So we're going to drop that so you can watch some videos. But I still want to just drop in and say, I hope that you all had a beautiful night. Whether you celebrate it or not. And something else that I realized is everyone is in different journeys of their life. I know sometimes we like to vent about the different things that we're going through, but last night I realized something different. I'm going to stop doing that. I'm just going to vent to the Lord about the problems or the way that I might feel about my family towards other people, and just keep those things private, because at the end of the day, I know what the Lord says about family, different things like that. I know how I feel, and everybody is entitled to their own feelings and their own opinions, but I'm going to more of mind my business and stay in my office, and just keep praying for people. So make sure you're perfect family, make sure you're always minding your business. And it's just still something that I'm learning in general, just to basically keep things to yourself, some things, and then, because you never know how people are changing. You never know what people are doing in their life, just as well as people don't know what you're doing in your life to change and heal and grow. So basically, I just want to stop being so hard on other people and myself, and stop judging other people and myself, because everybody is at different levels in their lives. But I pray that you all have enjoyed yourself. If it's just you, or you have enjoyed your family, I love you. God bless you. And I will talk to you in the next podcast episode. Mwah.